Well, alright guys, we're back at it again. And yeah, we got our fuel injectors all ready to go. Brand new seals, brand new O-rings. We have our engine ports that we just gotta give a quick clean and be ready to install the injectors. Then we're gonna come over here to the intake, remove the old gasket, put the new gasket on. Then we're gonna install this intake. Very good. And finally. Well, alrighty then, now that we are ready to install our fuel injectors into a head, what you do is you put a little dab of fresh engine oil on the Teflon seal, and you just give it a good push. It should thump into place. Very good. Let's see, is this one gonna go in pretty good? Let's see. Come on. Sometimes you gotta work it. How about this one? Am I gonna be on the struggle bus on this one too? Oh, nope. Very good. That just thumped right in. That's how it's supposed to go instead of struggling on the other two. Let's see. Can we get the fourth one in? Let's give it a try. Let's put a little bit in the hole. No. Is this one gonna thump? This one gonna thump? Yep, boom. Alright, fuel injectors are installed. Well, alright. We got a little bit of dielectric grease on these O-rings here. We have replaced the intake gasket. We have snapped in the harness to where it belongs. So now, this should theoretically, if I put this here and I put that there, it should just go on, right? I think it just did. I don't know. Alright, let's work on it. Alright guys, I ran into an issue. You have to install the harness onto the fuel injectors first and let it hang over a little bit before you put the intake on. Because when I had the intake on, I couldn't really reach this guy. It's difficult to reach this guy. I could reach these two, but I really couldn't reach that one. So, big tip of the video, guys. Put the harness on first.